Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Lovely.
Are you on holiday?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
Bristol.
Big up Bristol. Come on.
Hampshire.
And you're from where?
Southampton.
Big up Southampton. Hey. And let's big up the Funfair. Hey. Are you staying in Teignmouth?
No, we're staying in Dawlish.
In Dawlish? How long you been here?
Sorry?
How long you been here?
About a week.
How much you got left?
A week.
A week.
Oh, so for another week. That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Right.
Pleased to meet you, Lorraine.
Clive.
Clive.
Yeah, C-L-I-V, Clive.
And which one of these ladies is your wife? Or both of them?
Both.
Oh, both.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No? Don't you fancy Clive? Don't you fancy him? No?
No.
You do though, don't you? Yeah. Right, what's your name?
Agnes.
Who?
Agnes.
Agnes.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you all.
Thanks to
Yeah.
And how long have you two been married?
46 years.
That's a long time.
It is, isn't it?
When's your anniversary? What date?
June the 28th.
Oh, you're good. And where did you meet your wife?
19, around about 72-ish.
And where was it? Where?
Where was it? I don't know, in your house, wasn't it? Yeah, in your house, basically,
He
yeah.
used to work with my brother.
Oh, right. Okay. And have you got a young man?
Not really, no.
What do you mean, not really?
Oh, well, mine passed away.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm on
Sorry,
my own.
sorry to hear that. And you're on your own.
Yeah.
Would you like someone like Clive?
I've got the grandchildren.
Sorry?
We share the grandchildren.
What do you mean you share the grandchildren? Have you got children with Clive?
No, my daughter is with their
Ah, I see. So your family.
their family.
Big up family. And how many grandchildren have you got?
About 7,
Yeah, about 7.
About 7, don't you know?
What? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 actually.
9-ish.
Yeah.
9. So you got 9. So you lost 2 then. And how many have you got? Hey.
The same.
They're the same as them. Yeah. You seem very happy. And you seem more happy because you're in between 2 ladies with your arms round 2 ladies.
Yes.
You got 2 ladies.
Very lucky, isn't it?
Very what?
Very lucky.
Lucky. He's very lucky. Yeah. Yeah. Look how happy he looks. Look. He's smiling all over. Do that again. Do that again. Go on. Let's get it on camera. Do it again. Well, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your Funfair. I'll tell you in a minute. I'll tell you when I finish, yeah? Let's say peace out. Peace out. Come on. Let's have one little dance before we go. Come on, go for it. That's it. Have a little dance. Keep it going. Nice one. Nice one. Take care. One love. Bye.